Hello everyone, welcome to RLAARLO workshop. Today we will give you a detailed introduction to setting and function of the programming card various features. In main category option 1, there are two sub-options you can set, forward only and forward reverse. When we set it to forward only, the car will only have the forward function. The first time you pull the throttle trigger backward, it acts as the brake. Pull it backward again will not engage the reverse function. You must set it to forward reverse to have the reverse function. In main category option 2, you can set low voltage cutoff for the battery. There are 4 sub-options available for selection and setting. We recommend that you bring your own low voltage alarm when running the car to monitor the battery voltage at all times, preventing an extra layer of safety. In main category option 3, there are 2 sub-options available for adjustment. The motor direction. If when you pull the throttle, the wheels spin in the opposite direction, you can adjust this option to change the motor spin direction so that it matches the direction recommended by your remote control. In main category option 4, you can set the vehicle maximum braking force. There are 9 sub-options available for setting. Level 9 is the highest force. When the force is set to level 9, pulling the throttle backward for braking during the normal driving will cause the vehicle tire to lock up immediately, preventing the strongest stopping power. Level 1 is the lowest force. When set to the lowest level 1, you will find that pulling the throttle backward for braking result in a noticeable delay in braking. The tire will not lock up immediately, and stopping power is the weakest. In main category option 5, you can set the maximum reverse force. There are 2 sub-options available for setting. It's 20% and 50%. This allows you to limit the vehicle maximum speed and torque when reversing, suitable for different driving environment or for protecting the drivetrain. In main category option 6, you can set the maximum acceleration. There are 4 sub-options available for setting. Level 1 is the lowest, softest. When set to level 1, even if you pull the throttle fully, you will find that vehicle speed accelerates gradually from slow to fast. Simulate the smooth, progressive effort for the real car throttle. Level 4 is the fastest, most aggressive. When you set to level 4, pulling the throttle fully will result in the vehicle starting at the full speed instantly, preventing the maximum burst of power. In main category option 7, you can set the vehicle drag brake force. There are 5 sub-options available for setting. It's generally recommended to use the default factory setting for this option, unless you have specific track or driving requirement that necessitate an adjustment. In main category option 8, there are 6 levels available to set the vehicle motor timing. ESC timing is the angle at which the ESC controls the brushless motor by energizing the coil in advance to optimize motor performance. High timing increase RPM and thrust, help prevent a synchronization loss, but it also increases heat, reduce efficiency, and lower the torque. Low timing improves efficiency and torque, lower RPM, and reduce heat generation. The timing setting must match the motor's characteristic. Setting it too high may lead the motor magnet reversing or the motor locking up. In main category option 9, there are 2 levels available to set the braking time: synchronous braking and asynchronous braking. When asynchronous braking is set, pulling the throttle backward for braking will cause the vehicle brake to lock up. When synchronous braking is set, the brake will not lock up. If you require the brake to lock up, the maximum brake force must be set to 100%. Below this value, the lockout effect will not occur. This concludes the comprehensive explanation of the function of the programming card for S10 Rally car. Thank you for visiting RLAARLO workshop once again.